Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my dedicated YouTube channel to my ongoing beginner's journey in the world of watches and horology. And in today's episode, I have a very special, unboxing. This is a Filipino microbrand, which is awesome because I am Filipino. So I just found out apparently that we do have microbrands here in the Philippines, and I am excited to show you this particular piece. This watch is from the Guzman Co. And what makes it even more special is that they actually, at least based on the office address, they come from the same place where I was, in Bulacan. So Bulacanyo po ako. That's where my family is from. And I am thrilled to be able to hold this and show it to you guys in today's episode. So let's go. So this watch is called the DG005. There are only 200 pieces made, and it is the second release of the Guzman Co. It actually came in a nice red box, but I kind of lost it. But inside the box, you do get this watch roll. And if you open it up, it does have a lot of nice surprises in it because you get a lot of value for money for this particular piece. So automatically, you guys can see you get the watch roll and you get 3 strap options apart from the steel bracelet that the watch comes in by default. So you have your choice. You can wear it with the bracelet. You can wear it with some sort of dark brown strap. You can go with the lighter brown strap or an all black strap. So this is one of those one watch collection type of pieces. Now originally I did wear the watch with the steel bracelet, but I couldn't resist putting on the leather strap because it just looked really good with it. So let's take a closer look at the piece with the brown strap that I put on the watch. So guys, here you have it. This is the Guzman Co. second release, the DG005. There are only 200 pieces of this amazing piece available worldwide, and it looks friggin' amazing. If you take a look at the dial, it has some sort of that dark coffee brown color, and then has some sort of sail cream color for the indices and the hands. You have the Guzman logo at the 12 o'clock position, and you have a date window which you can find at the 3 o'clock position. As I mentioned earlier, I swapped it out to this nice looking cinnamon brown strap. In terms of the watch diameter, that's one of my biggest complaints, only because I love big watches. This one has a case diameter of 38 millimeters, lug to lug 45, lug width 20, case height 12. So it's a really nice everyday type of watch. Very versatile to wear, especially with the different strap choices that you have. It has a domed sapphire crystal over here, making it scratch resistant. It is using the Seiko NH35 automatic movement, which gives you 41 hours of power reserve, which is nice. Flipping it to the side, you have this screw down crown over here with rubber seal gaskets. It is signed with the logo of the Guzman Co., but for some reason, I can't seem to remove the blue plastic covering it. So I'll probably need some tools to take that out. But overall, it's a nice high quality piece. By the way, apart from the sapphire crystal and the stainless steel case, it is water resistant up to 100 meters. So it can work for an everyday beater type of watch if you're looking for a smaller case diameter piece that you can change up. You can go with the straps, the brown one for casual, black for formal, or you can go with the steel bracelet if you want something that's a little bit more sporty. Now this watch, together with all of the freebies, the 3 strap options and the tool plus the leather roll, sells for 13,899 SRP, but they do have an online exclusive price of 12,888 pesos. That's roughly a little over $200, which for me is fantastic, especially since it is a nice, high quality, good looking watch that's super versatile. And speaking as a Filipino, it's always good to support local. So I'll speak in Tagalog. Ako sobra akong proud dito, nakakaaliw, nakakatuwa. And to all the people at the Guzman Co., good job guys. Tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yan. And I'm cheering you on. Sana lumaki pang brand ninyo and sana mas madami pang makadiscover nito. Panalo! I do have just one request. Guys, can you please make a bigger case diameter watch? I mean, 38 is good, but I have big wrists. So if you can make at least a 40 mil, diameter watch, that would be fantastic. And your straps are a bit too short for people who have big wrists, so I can only use this with the steel bracelet, but unfortunately, the straps are too small. But yeah, happy to cheer you on, happy to be a fan, and I'm looking forward to see what you guys can come up with next. What do you guys think of the Guzman Co 005? Let me know in the comment section, especially to all of you Filipinos watching today. Let me know what you think of the watch. I'd love to hear from every single one of you in the comment section. I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as I can. And with that said, oh, by the way, the link to their website in case you guys want to buy one is down below. Check it out, especially if you live in the Philippines. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. I'll be doing more watch unboxings this week. I'll try to get into a rhythm of at least around 2 videos per week. Apologies for not being able to upload regularly, but it's been a busy time. But I will make a commitment to at least upload 1 or 2 videos every week starting this week. And with that said, this is Carlos signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.